Question number 7. In 2004, in the city, there were 7,500 homes and um, homes in. So this is going to be okay. N is number of homes uh, which has internet, and T is time. So it is start in 2014, 2004. This is not T. The unit is after AC, after Christ. So I will take T. This is time T. So 2004 mean that is the start. T equals 0. Right? When T equals 0, what is the value? 17,500. Basically, this is going to be a y-intercept if we draw a linear curve for this one. Now let's look at question number 8. Right? Okay. Y equal mx plus c. This is this form. N. This is y equal n m p plus c. Now, what is m? M is given. M is given because each year an additional 750. It means the gradient is given. In each year 750. Next year another 1 year, then 15,000. Another 1 year it's going to be 1, 2, 3. This height is going to be 7,500 times 3. 20,500. It means M is 750,500, 225. So M is 750. So N equals 750 T plus C. At start, right, when T equals 0, how many homes has internet? 7,500. So this is the equation. So now N equals 7,750 T plus 17,500. This is part A. Part B is which assumption? The assumption is the prediction. What is the prediction? M equals 750. But usually it is moving like a quadratic equation. First year 750, second year more than that, third year more than that. This is 700, the second year increment around 800, third year increment around 1500. So it's going to be like a curve. That is usually. But in this situation, in this project, we assume that this is going to be a fixed amount. The increment is fixed. That's why we can write a linear equation. If not, we can't put this 750 into a linear equation. Question number 8. Look, once when you finish writing part A, explain why the data can be approximated to a linear model. Question number 8. Length and height. I can see that F and H. Then I can see the second one h equal a plus b. I'm not reading the sum yet. I'm just glancing, but we have to do careful. Then I have 2 points, 27, 177 and 24, 165. Then we can find a, and substitute one, we can find the equation. What is this sum about? I didn't read the sum yet. Calculate the expected height of the person with length. Okay. C part also I can do without reading the sum, which is not good. You have to read the sum, but that's how you want to get the sense of the sums. And question number A. Explain what is this about. The scatter graph shows the height of each foot length of the each student line the best fit. Okay. Explain why the data can be approximated by linear model. Because the points are closer to the line of best fit. Yeah. So these points are closer to the line of best fit. Assume that there are other few points here, 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 here. I can make a line of best fit like this. But these points are not closer to this point. The line of best fit is not a line, it is, should be a circle actually. So in that case, for this situation, the linear model, yeah, we have the line of best fit, this one, but linear model is not a best model. We can show this by a circle or with the graph, another graph with the curves, because those points are far from the best fit. But fortunately, these points are in this graph, in this question, is very closer to the line. So the points are closer to the line of best fit. So that is the part B. I can see H equal AF plus B. I have 2 points, 27, 177 and 24, 165. So this is F and this is H. Now I can the gradient y1 minus y2, y1 minus y2 divided by x1 minus x2. Now here not y1 minus y2, h1 minus h2 divided by f1 minus f2. So 177 minus 165, 177 minus 165 over 27 minus 24, which is 165, 10, 175 plus 2 difference is 12. This difference is, the answer is 4. Now HA equal 4F plus B. Now since the curve go through 24,165. We can substitute 165 equal 4, t is 24 plus b. Then we can find 165 equal 20 times 4, 96 plus b. b equal 69. So the formula is h equal 40 plus 69. Part C, now I need to calculate the expected height of a person with foot length f equal 26.5. Say then from this equation h equal 4 times 26.5 plus 69. This is going to be 26 times 4. 0.5 times 4 is 2. 20 times 4 is 80. And 6 times 4 is 24. 106. So 106 plus 69, 175. Question number 9. It's a day-to-day story. What will happen to the trainers? This is a demand and supply. Assume that there are only one manufacturer for trainers and there are a lot of demand. What will happen to the trainers' price? It will go high. Assume that there are many trainers manufacturers and demand is less. What will happen to the price? The price will go down. That's how the demand and supply work. Increase in demand, then the price go up. Decrease in demand, price go down. So what is the reason for increase in and decrease in demand? Increase in because maybe there are lack of manufacturers or people need more. Both can cause to go to the price of trainers high. Okay, now we'll draw these two graphs. One is P equal price is 3 over 4 Q plus 35 quantity, and here other one is P equal 2 over 3 plus 1. Which is y-axis is going to be P, standard x-axis is going to be Q. Now when you look at this one, you can see gradient is negative and y-intercept is 35. Then it's going to be something like this. This is going to be 0, 35. And gradient is minus 3 over 4. When you look at this one, the gradient is positive. It has this direction. And y-intercept is 1. I can't draw graph to left side because quantity can't be a negative value. So it should be go from here. So this is 0, 1. So this is the graph. What is the gradient is 2 over 3. Now we need to find the equilibrium point where the curve meet the intersection point. So we have to solve these two equations. Now we can see that this is P equal this one, P equal this one, Then I can write hence minus 3 over 4q plus 35 equal 2 over 3q plus 1. I'll multiply by 12 this equation, then 12 times minus 3 over 4q plus 12 times 35 equal 12 times plus 1, 2 over 3q plus 12 times 1. So this is cancel out and this is going to be, this is 3 minus 9q plus 12 times 35. What is the 12 times 35? 12 times 35. 10 times 35, 350. Then other 2 times 35, which is 70. 0, 420. This is q. And this is cancel out 4 times 2, 8q equal 12. So I'll bring the q to other side. 9q plus 8q equal 420 minus 12. So 17q equal 408. So q equal 408 divided by 17, which is 24. Now we want to find the p value. So from 2, p equal 2 over 3, q is 24 plus 1. 2 times 8 plus 1, 16 plus 1, 17.